Please forgive me.
Hey guys, it's me and Taylor, and we just got back from Walmart. We had to go pick up a new vacuum because our old vacuum broke, so we had to pick up a new one. That way we can get some weekend cleaning done today. So we just left the Walmart, and now we're stopping to get some lunch. You ready to eat? All right, we're picking up some lunch, and then we're headed home. That way we can eat some lunch and then finish cleaning up. So this is just some footage of us in Walmart trying to pick out the perfect vacuum, and we settled on the cheapest vacuum, which is the Bissell that you guys are about to see right now. And we're going to take it home and get started with our cleaning. All right, so right now we're back at the house, and I'm going to start with cleaning in the kitchen. I always find it the easiest to clean in the kitchen, and then I just go from there and start cleaning up everything else throughout the house. So I'm going to start with taking the dishes out the dishwasher, and then you guys just stay tuned to see me cleaning up the rest of the kitchen. Everything Vaughn. Today I will be reviewing this new vacuum that I just bought from Walmart. It's called the Bissell Power Force Compact. So it's like supposed to be a lightweight and compact vacuum. This is what it looks like. It's pretty easy to pick up the box for me to be able to show you guys the exact vacuum. It was the cheapest vacuum that they had at Walmart. It was on sale for $44. So I decided just to pick it up and give it a try because my lightweight stick vacuum that I had actually broke. So I needed a replacement vacuum. So I thought, hey, you know, might as well try what they have there at the Walmart, because we have a built-in in-house vacuum as well, but it's difficult to keep moving around all the equipment that comes with that. So I'd rather just have something light that I can quickly plug in and use when I need to. So we're gonna give this a review, see how it works, how easy it is to set up, and hopefully I like it. All right, y'all, so we back with round 2. So I had to go return the vacuum that I previously had and get another one because the other one was faulty. So I got another one, and we're gonna try this again to see if I can get it to function. That way we can actually vacuum the floors. All right, and here we have our base. And this base, I can already say it's already latched. It wasn't latched before, and it would not latch at all. But this one is latched like how it's supposed to. And y'all, I tried and tried for at least like 20 minutes to get that other one, the canister, to lock, but it just would not lock like how this one is already locked. So I think someone had probably, thank you, I appreciate you, mama. I think somebody had already opened that one and broken the clamp right here, because I could not get it to close. Now this one is easier. It pops right on out, snaps back in, so it's good to go. We're gonna try to put it together and give it a go. Give it a go, Taylor. All right, you gonna help me? All right, let's try to see if we can put this together. All right, so the first thing we want to do is snap the handle on. Snap. Yeah.
Now, first we need to put the cover.
Hold on. No, that doesn't go in there. It don't go in there. We got to see where this stuff goes first, okay? So we're going to see. I think you got to pull this through here and snap this on here.
There.
This goes right there. And that goes right here. Like that. That goes on the inside. And then I believe this goes on here.
Goes right here. And the wheels is good.
I don't think it snaps or anything, Taylor babe. I think it just goes on there like that. That goes in there.
That goes in
Seems
there.
like that goes like that.
And where who's going?
And when you want it to suck on the other stuff, it's like you just twist it off and take it off.
Hose going in. What is the hose going in?
Taylor, I think we're ready to go. We're gonna
Put this up. Alright, put this in the box for me. Put this in the box for me.
All right, y'all, so the cord is super duper duper long. So I'm just trying to unravel it because I know I need it probably the wrong way. But we're gonna try to find a plug in, plug this thing in, and give it a go on our carpets in here to see how much it picks up and see how loud it is. I'm gonna stop it right there. That way y'all can already see just that little section that I just did. How much stuff. Y'all. Oh my God. Y'all.
Oh,
I just did. I gotta move my camera up for this. I just did just the tiniest section of my floor. Look at all of that. Y'all. That is disgusting. I just did the smallest section of my floor. I literally just did the line right in front of the sofa. I just did one line back and forth in front of the sofa. Y'all saw me do it. And look at all of that. This thing is crazy. All right, so I'm gonna pick up the rest of the floor. That way y'all can see what all comes off of just this rug in the living room alone. And then we'll do some other floors in the house. That way we can give it a full review. All right, y'all. So I just did just this one rug right here in the living room. We moved the couch back. That way we can get the whole rug. And I literally just went over the whole rug one time. Look, y'all. Look at this. Look at what was in my rug. And we vacuum almost every other day, y'all. We've been using our in-home vacuum system because, like, oh my gosh, because our stick vacuum that we normally use, the cordless one, it broke. So it's been maybe about 2 months that we've been using our little in-home vacuum system, and this is just one rug. So I'm definitely gonna say that this little vacuum, as cheap as it was from Walmart, you need to buy it. Like, you need to buy it. It is so powerful. Like, wow. I can't wait to see what else I find in the rest of this house. So I'm gonna go empty this out and I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back to see what else it picks up. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean off my couches. I'm gonna vacuum them first with the new vacuum that I just got today, and then I'm gonna go in with my Bissell Pro Heat. That way I can actually clean off the cushions, because we have a couple of spots on the cushions from the 2-year-old. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean those off. So keep watching. All right, so this is definitely the worst cushion in the house for the couches, and it has a big, like, a wet spot on the couch cushion, and it came from baby wipes. We had some baby wipes sitting on the couch, and my husband sat on them and they leaked all over the couch cushion. So hopefully this Bissell will be able to get that spot out. And I will show me cleaning this cushion, and then I'll let you guys know how it actually dries and whether we get this big spot out. All right, so I did each couch cushion with the Bissell Pro Heat. So I'm just gonna wait and see how they dry. And hopefully they will look as good as brand new. The main parts of the couch, I didn't really have to go over them at the top. They weren't bad. They just need to be vacuumed. They are like a velvet kind of texture. So that's how you see like the dark and the light look. It's not like stains or spots or anything like that. That's just how they do. But yeah, after we let them dry, I got the ceiling fan going. I'm gonna turn it up probably to as high as it can go. That way it can help make sure these dry really quickly. But I'll let y'all know how they go, specifically that cushion, which was the worst looking cushion that we had. All right, you guys, so here is that couch cushion that we wanted to get the spots out of. And as you can see, it definitely did come clean compared to how it looked before.